Here is a live First Alert update for you. I'm meteorologist Chuck George. Thanks for watching KOLD News 13 live at 5. Severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Green Valley right over this area, but we have other storms forming inside the metro. Look at the lightning strikes from this cluster of storms, 788 in the last hour. We've got several live pictures, and then I'll take you around on First Alert Doppler. Power poles down in Green Valley. You're looking at a live mobile city cam. This is in Green Valley right along I-19 and Duval Mine Road. You can see the lines down. 6,000 people, TEP reports, are without power. Now to our next live shot. This is also in the same general area. You can see as we look toward that storm that it's dropping very heavy rain, especially now east of Green Valley. So let's go find it on First Alert Doppler. This is the storm right here that we're talking about. It has started to kind of fall apart a bit, and I don't want to forget about you folks down in Rio Rico up towards Sonoyta. This line of storms is really one big cluster, and the wind blowing out of it, it's creating other storms right here in the metro. So let's zoom into the metro area if we can. And we'll show you what's happening right inside Tucson. This storm is getting stronger as we speak, and it's on the verge of being severe. You can see the magenta and purple shading here along I-19 and I-10. This storm is growing in strength, and this color means that we could have some hail out of this storm, as well as gusty wind, at least up to 45 miles per hour. But I wouldn't be surprised to see wind damaging and even strong enough like 60 miles per hour to knock over power poles. It's all because we've got a lot of heat and humidity today, and this is not going to go away tonight. The storms will, of course, but the humidity won't. We'll be 92 by 8 o'clock, 80 tomorrow morning with leftover debris clouds, 103 tomorrow afternoon. We'll call it sticky and hot. Right now, 95 at the airport. Our dew point is extremely high at 60 degrees. Even though we've got an area of high pressure over us that's promising 110 plus for the weekend, we're seeing a little transition of moisture moving northward, a little push north, and it was here yesterday as well, but this thing is taking north and south turns. Each time it makes that change, it determines whether we'll have storms or not. We've got an area of high pressure in general over us. You're looking at the water vapor imagery. This is one that we love to look at because it helps us pick things out like high pressure and low pressure. But this is a more interesting one for you and me. Notice how much of Mexico is quiet except for this string of storms that really goes from Tucson all the way down toward the Gulf of California, way down past Guaymas. Well, the area of high pressure is kind of keeping that from expanding and growing even bigger. But this weekend, record heat moving our way. We're talking 111, 112 on Saturday and Sunday. And look, we're not alone. San Antonio, extremely humid with 102 right now. Your friends and relatives in the Midwest, though, man, call them and say we're jealous. 63 right now in Chicago. Around the nation, storm-wise, pretty quiet except for right here at home. And keeping it local, you'll see another chance for thunderstorms, some severe tomorrow afternoon. Then we should quiet down as that high pressure builds right over us. It doesn't mean that you won't see storms in Cochise and Santa Cruz County. However, most of us will stay dry on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with temps around 110 or above. We cool down next week, and there are some indications, Mindy and Dan, that, remember last Friday? Yeah, that we could see a repeat pattern of that Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, which is kind of good news because it will cool us down a bit, but it will also bring the chance for severe weather early next week. In the short term, severe thunderstorm warning and flash flood warning, both in effect for Green Valley.
All right. Thanks, Chuck.
You bet.
We'll be right back.